In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a roadmap in Miro. Miro is an incredibly versatile tool for visual collaboration, and creating a roadmap can help you and your team stay aligned and organized. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to your Miro dashboard, which can be accessed by logging into your account on the Miro website. Once you're there, you'll see your boards displayed, but right now we need to focus on creating something new. Look toward the top of the interface and you'll find the option to explore templates. This feature is incredibly useful because it provides a variety of pre-designed templates, which can save you a ton of time and help you stay organized. Once you've clicked on Explore Templates, a search bar will appear, which allows you to narrow down your options. In this case, type in Roadmap to bring up the relevant templates available in Miro. You'll see a variety of different styles, each suited for different types of projects and timelines. It's important to browse through the options and select the roadmap that best fits the needs of your project. If you're focusing on a high-level strategy plan, there might be a template designed specifically for that. Or if you're looking at a more detailed, task-oriented roadmap, there will be options for those as well. After you find a template that speaks to your needs, go ahead and click on the Use button. This action will open the template within your Miro workspace, allowing you to customize it for your specific requirements. Now we enter perhaps the most crucial phase, editing the roadmap to suit your project's unique goals. Miro provides an array of tools to customize and modify the roadmap template. You can adjust text boxes, change colors, and even reorganize sections to reflect the stages or priorities of your project plan. It's important to spend some time on this customization phase, ensuring that everything is clearly laid out and understandable to anyone who views your roadmap. Remember, the goal here is to communicate effectively and provide guidance to anyone who might interact with this board, so clarity is key. Within Miro, take advantage of the editing tools to add information pertinent to your project, such as deadlines, milestones, and priority levels. You can use sticky notes for quick reminders or add visuals to highlight more complex concepts. This will further enhance the readability and effectiveness of your roadmap. It's also a great idea to involve team members in the editing process. Miro's collaborative features allow others to add comments or make changes, ensuring that every important aspect of the project is covered. And there you have it. Creating a roadmap in Miro is not only straightforward, but it also sets a strong foundation for project management and strategic planning. Thank you for joining me today, and happy planning.